So why would there be police here, Mal?
To make it so secure, this place.
Why is somebody going to steal things?
Yeah.
They steal?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because my mom annoyed because when she go to the cemetery, the flowers that she buy stealing, somebody steal.
Somebody stole the flowers off the grave?
Yeah, on my sister.
Seriously?
Yes, and then the candles.
The candles as well?
Yeah. But this place, but this one is the private
cemetery. If Filipinos are 98% Catholic and very religious, why would assuming it was a Filipino, obviously, would a Filipino steal from a graveyard? That's so disrespectful and wrong.
Yeah. They took the basket in the flower because there's a basket right in the flower. They took it. And then the candles also. They sell the candles per kilo.
They sell the candles?
Yeah.
Well, surely the candles would have been lit. Were the candles not lit?
Yeah.
I mean, had they been lit and then they'd melted, but they still stole them?
Yeah.
So what, they sell them and melt them down and make new candles then?
Yeah.
My God. Tell you, I shouldn't be shocked, but I am. When I hear things.
There's a lot of flowers, look. Because this place is a private cemetery. But if you go to the public, you expect that the flower that you buy is gone.
Right.
Look.
So the Basilica Church is over there, isn't it?
Yeah.
So there had been a lot of activity there yesterday, not so much today. So people will be spending all day here with the graves, having a bit of food, what have you.
Last night, yesterday. In UK, there's no like this.
No. Well, not. I mean, I'm not a practicing Christian, so I don't think so, not to my knowledge, but I'm sure somebody will say, no, that's not right. There is something like that.
It's nice to see, right?
Yeah.
Full of flowers.
It's beautiful. So they've come prepared for the rain with the marquee thing, haven't they? It's amazing.
Some of families live here.
You know, going off what you're saying, I wouldn't be surprised if when most or all the people's gone, people come in, steal the flowers, cut them and sell them, you know, rewrap them.
Yeah. Especially if the basket is very nice, but like that, no.
Yeah.
They will not steal it.
Oh no, they'll only steal the good stuff. They're not stupid. Wow. Yeah, it's beautiful. You see, I don't mind graveyards like this because these are similar to what you'd see in the West, but obviously we have a lot of headstones that stand up. I don't like the other graveyards where the pile, you know, they're like, some are little houses, aren't they? If you got lots of money.
Yeah. They have also here.
Do they?
Like house,
Yeah. I mean, look at the Coke machines, the drinks for people being here. Yeah, the Filipino people are brilliant. They never lose an opportunity to make some money. Never let a good opportunity go to waste. And I've actually been to one of these visuals as well. Visual. I can't get my words out. And oh, this is what I mean. These concrete things over here. But normally they're like piled up, aren't they? Spain and Argentina has a lot of them. I don't like the thoughts of that. But I guess when you're not here, it doesn't really matter whether you're burnt or buried or... Yeah, but Catholics don't want to be cremated, do they? They want to be buried.
But some of people.
But I think as time goes by, everybody will be cremated. I don't think anybody will be buried.
If you ask me, no, I don't want. I don't want to cremate my body.
You don't want to cremate your body? Well, you're a bit young for that yet, aren't you? Look at him. Look at you.
Sleep now.
Yeah, of course he's asleep. Yeah. Let's head back then, babe. Garden of Peñafrancia. What's that?
All of flower. Full of look. Walk around.
It's beautiful. So we're back at the cemetery again because we want to show you how different it is, and that's before the heavens open up. It's really difficult to get out, guys. It really is.
It's easy to walk over there, right?
Yeah.
Than the other cemetery.
So the video you've just seen, we come in at the other side there, but we just wanted to show you this bit as well, because these buildings which I was on about on the video we've just cut from. Yeah, the flowers are still in reasonably good shape. I'm very, very surprised. Yeah, I know it's starting to rain again. We thought we'd get out. We're on the motorbike as well, so this is going to have to be quick. I just wanted to shove this on extra at the end because that video's not that long. But I wanted to show you these. They're like little bungalows. And of course, in the West, unless you're in Spain or Argentina or somewhere like that, Mexico, they don't do this kind of thing. It's alien to us from the UK, what have you. But I don't mind this. And, you know, forgive me if my words don't come out right. I personally don't mind this. But I find it a bit strange to be put in a little bungalow unless I've been embalmed with a smile on my face and a Sam Mig in my hand, you know, grinning, looking out the window. That'd be all right. What do you think, Mel?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd look good, wouldn't it? Didn't know what I'd said. You didn't know what I said, did you?
I understand what you're saying.
Yeah, well, you did not.
So kapal.
So let's have a walk over here then, babe, and then we can stay out the rain if it starts raining. So what's the cemetery called?
Santo Nino. Can you say that?
Santo
Nino.
Minho. Santo Minho. I just keep saying whatever. Let's have a look at this plaque. See, you come to the Philippines and it's another world, you know. The people here are lovely, they really are. They're so kind. There's a birthday party going off today. It's your sister's birthday. The family's that big, there's always a birthday, isn't there? Or a wedding or...
Simple celebration now.
I know it's only simple. It's only in the shop. It's nothing.
Somebody asked about Matthew when the
What?
baptismal. Is it baptismal?
Baptism.
The baptism.
The baptism. Yeah, we're going to have it on his birthday, aren't
Yeah,
we?
first
Yeah, so Matthew's baptism will be on his birthday. We've got some godparents lining up.
There's a lot of what do you call good mother, but the good fathers no.
Godfathers, no.
No.
Well, there's Adrian and Connie, isn't he? Adrian Connie wants to be godparents. So there you go. We've got Jerry and Rose who wants to adopt our dog. You know, I love it when the family plan to go out and we go to the beach and stuff. That's the stuff I really look forward to these days, is going out with the family, because you know you're going to enjoy yourself, you know you're going to have a good time. Hey!
Do you know them?
No. Do you know them?
No.
Well, I'm just nice. I like
Some of
saying
your
hi.
heroes like that.
Yeah.
Even if they don't know you.
Yeah, well, it's nice being happy and smiling and whatever.
Oh.
So it looks like they're taking that down over there, does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so anyway guys, it's gonna really throw it down. We want to get back to the shop before it really starts to rain, so we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping